think they're tight.
Happy? Right, what we're going to do now, the oil pipes and the wiring conduit.
Oh, the oil pipe was your thing.
Yeah!
I've put that one back on because I'm such a great guy.
The next thing to do as well is put the tank bolts that hold the tanks down. There should be a piece of rubber and a long thingamajig bolt. Yeah. You know what I mean, Jim? You know what I'm saying, John? Go on, hurry up, stop messing around. So today me and Adam put the T-72 back together, and I can tell you it would test the patience of a saint working on this thing. So I've thoroughly hated it. Hated every single moment of it actually, and I never want to work on one ever again. But I'm just hoping it's going to be worth it. That's it.
Eventually, after hours and hours of soul-destroying knuckle bashing, it was time to push it out the shed to start it.
Next one. We got that little quarter. Handbrakes off. When you're ready.
It was time to fire up Linda the forklift and push it out the shed.
Well, at least he's not dug the ground away, now you've got a hill to go up.
Isn't this accessible?
It was now time for the first start. We used air because the batteries were too flat.
That just shot out a lot of liquid. Is that diesel that's unburnt? Don't get too close to it. So. Yeah. And oil. Diesel, I think. Yeah. Why would that be? I think the tank was just sick.
Are you ready or not?
Yeah, go for it.
It was moving forward though, I didn't like that. On the brake.
Yeah.
It seemed the tank was stuck in smoke mode, and none of us had a clue how to turn that off. Some of you might be wondering what it is that's actually creating all this smoke, and basically all it is a lot of diesel getting chucked on a hot exhaust manifold. And to be exact, for the T-72, expect for it to use 19 litres of diesel a minute on smoke mode, and apparently you can only do it for 10 minutes before the vehicle's pretty much out of fuel. I just want to say thank you to our friends at the Australian Army Museum in Australia, especially Steve, who sent us out this T-72 manual that was converted into English. This told us exactly where the switch was to turn the smoke mode off. Thank you, Steve. We've all been looking forward to having a proper drive in the T-72 since it arrived, so today was a big day. thought I'd do the honourable thing and let Adam drive, seeing as the iridium gauges in the cockpit are giving off that much radiation. I'd end up looking like a feral ghoul.